Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use outfits when you're doing quests in the Lana lore quest. So if you go to this teleport area, make sure you've saved an outfit in the free play mode. I'll show it to you here. So you're just gonna walk in this area and just go to the wardrobe changing station, put on an outfit before you go in and just press that button, plus button, write down your outfit and press save. And then here, as you can see, I'm wearing an outfit. Most of them aren't, but where it basically is, it's here in this pink button. You're just going to select it and you're going to basically select the outfit that you want to wear while you're doing the quest. I actually just figured it out right now. But that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!